Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HMNY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And, I'll give some credit where credit's due. Yesterday, things were looking pretty shaky. They were looking like the wheels may be getting ready to really fall off the bus. I say that because, again, each of these represents 30 minutes. I just bring that up one more time because right here from yesterday, during that final 30-minute session, there was a whole lot of selling that took place, and this was a pretty nasty candle. So going into today, it was a very valid question of, kind of are things going to get that much worse? And no, they didn't really. Sure, it went down a little bit, but overall, like I said, to give the credit where credit's due to the bulls, they seem to have contained the fire right now, and all the price did was go sideways. So from a chart perspective, from a trading perspective, at this point, it at least becomes logical to wonder now, hey, maybe some sort of bounce is getting ready to take place. Now, just because, and I wish trading was this easy. I wish I could say that because the price got beat up late day on Thursday and then I spent Friday going sideways, that means for sure this thing's bouncing on Monday. If only trading were that easy. But at least becomes logical. So is there a guaranteed bounce? Of course not. Does it become logical to question a bounce? Yeah, it is actually logical at this point in time. Case in point, when the price was, for example, just falling. At no point to say, I wonder if it's going to bounce. Why would you think that when all the price was doing was going down? But now with the price at least going sideways, like I said, it becomes, not a guarantee, but, it becomes part of the conversation. What I'm going to do is just adjust this level down as there seems to be kind of the new key level of support right here at 0.028. So 0.028 is kind of that official bottom from today, but the overall gist of things is the price did ultimately go sideways, and you factor in that context from late day on Thursday, a nice sign of strength on the bulls' part. Still clearly a lot of work to be done on the bulls' part, but much better than getting continuation from late day on Thursday and having the price down at 2 cents or below or something crazy like that. So yeah, let's see if the price and see if this price action going sideways does represent anything, or if this is just kind of a temporary pause before the bears resume. Only time will tell. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.